All right, D. Stannis fourth, shooting a snubby revolver in 38 special. That's the Taurus ultralight revolver.
First time with a revolver.
Yeah, you just shot your first handgun at Springfield XD9. Now he's moving on to revolvers. That's it, just 5 shots. I think you might have some natural abilities, honestly.
We'll see.
That's honest. That's pretty awesome, man.
Games.
There's 5 more rounds. Just push that slide on the side here in, and that cylinder will flop out to the side if you push the whole cylinder to the side once you push that button. Let's see if okay, now just like that. And then you load those 5 in there.
Never done this before, as you can tell.
It all just takes practice to get decent at everything. You're doing awesome.
And just push up.
Just push it back in there till it clicks, and then you're ready to fire. So what do you think? Are you an automatic guy?
Than the pistol I used.
What's that?
It's got a lot more recoil than the pistol.
Yeah.
I felt it coming back a lot more. Yeah.
Yeah, a lot lighter gun. Yeah. So are you a revolver guy or an automatic guy or whatever?
I think I like the pistol.
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah.